Welcome to NextFab, an estimating, purchasing, and job tracking manager provided by Logicap. Access from anywhere, home office, shop, or field. Start by logging in with your username and password. This will bring you to your main environment. You have your essential modules at the top, and your current list view below, and you can manage your company at the top right. Let's start there. You can manage your account, your company, and its locations, and your users. Managing user rights is a key element in secure enterprise applications. What you'll do is you'll create your users and your roles. You'll add your users to your roles, and then you'll limit their access using these rules. By simply checking off view, create, update, and delete, you give them access or not give them access to essential modules in NextFab. For example, you may not want certain individuals purchasing raw materials for your shop. Another notable company setting is your processes. You have your high-level and your low-level processes. Your high-level processes will be whenever you're tracking your labor in your shop, you want to have those listed here. And your low-level processes will be used for creating accurate estimates. The first step in many sales processes is an estimate. Let's navigate there to begin. Let's start with a description. Let's say we have a customer who wants a cart created for their shop. We can select the status of just open. We have an estimate date. We have a delivery date, let's say a week from now. Revision, prepared by, approved by. A detail number for maybe a drawing that's been attached. Any notes you might have, your currency, and the markup value. Also, the estimate can belong to a project. Let's add it to our Acme projects. We can also attach any documents we want to go with this estimate. Let's go to the next tab for materials and operations. Now, this is where we have our material takeoff and our operations for each material. Let's start by adding a new material to create our cart. Let's select a piece of sheet from our section database, a 26 gauge by 48 piece of sheet. And let's select carbon steel, which we can see that we've purchased already for 50 cents per pound. You can see it automatically fills in the unit price. Now all we need to do is select our length. Let's do 10 feet. And quantity of 4. As you can see, again, it automatically fills in the price for us. Let's add some operations to our sheet. Let's start with welding. There'll be 4 pieces. And let's do 10 minutes per piece. Let's add some drilling as well. Drill and tap. 4 pieces and 5 minutes a piece. We're going to need those holes for the wheels. Now let's add the actual wheels. In our item master, the wheels will be stored. They're just standard parts. We're going to change the quantity to 4 and update our materials. As you can see now, we have our operations and our wheels. Now let's preview our costs. We have our total material cost, our labor cost, our profit margin, our markup. We also have a material summary and summary of labors. So once we're comfortable with our prices, we want to create a quote to send to the customer. We can include the line items and also include just a lot price. Let's include both. So now you see we've automatically generated a quote for our customer. It's filled in all the relevant data. We also have quote terms here, net 30 days, price is only valid for 30 days, etc. And here we have our quote items. Here's our summary. We chose to include the line items which have been zeroed out, and we also have our lot price for the total. Now that our quote's ready to go to the customer, we can automatically email it to them. Now this will create a draft. We can have any message we want here, and also we can review the PDF that will be sent to the customer. Now, if this quote is accepted by the customer, we can go back into our quote and we can say that we've closed this quote and we've actually won it. Now we'll want to create a job. Again, all the relevant data has been filled in. It's been quoted and accepted. We have all of our standard fields here for a job. It's included in our Acme project. Our customers automatically filled out with our lot price. All products that are relevant are filled in here as well.